Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can make your blog posts page something like this. We already have and we have modified and it looks like this. So basically I have added some filters on the top. So I have added the tags which are actually filtering the data. Actually I have added some tags in the blog posts, and on the basis of those tags I am filtering all those posts on this page. So you can see on the top of it I have all those tags which I added, and when I click on any of the tags, for example I am clicking on this one, so down below you will see that only that specific posts of the tag will appear. So all those posts which has this tag will be filtering out right here, and I have also added 3 more cards here. So if I am clicking on this one, so the design will look like this, and only this specific tag related posts will be displaying underneath. So this is also the tag, this is also the tag, and this is also the tag. But on the top of it we also have all those tags. If I am clicking on this first button, that means all the articles will be displaying without any kind of filter. So let me show you step by step that how I did this. So firstly you should go back to the dashboard of your Shopify store, and here you can see that we have content and we have blog posts. So you should click on the blog post and then you can actually click on any of the blog. So let me show you here on the right hand side, you can see that we have tags. So you need to mention the tags whichever you like to add here, and in all the other blog posts also you should put the tags. So on the basis of those tags we are actually filtering out data on this blog posts page. So we have all the listed blogs here. And so earlier we have this design, so I modified the design and made it something like this. So you should go back to the dashboard again and click on online store. Here in this dashboard you should click on the, actually I have implemented that code on the live theme. So let me show you how it looks on the on the previous theme. So let me click on preview and let me close all these tabs, and now if I'm clicking on this blog posts page, so you can see that this design is looking like this. So you should go back again, and I'm clicking on these 3 dots, and firstly you should duplicate this theme so that you should have a backup of original version. Once you did that, then again click on these 3 dots and click on edit code, and here on this page you will find out that we have multiple folders and files, and we are going to modify some files to apply those changes on our blog posts page. So let me show you how you will do that. I have already given the code and link is below in the description. So you should first of all open up snippets. So let me show you which file you need to open. So we have 2 files which are article-card.liquid. So you should go back here and we have to search here article-card.liquid. Can you see this file here? And then you need to replace this file with the attached file. So article-card.liquid. So I have actually modified that file, and then copy and paste it inside of this. So firstly you should remove all the code and then paste the new code, and also you should go back and modify this file which is man-blog.liquid. So let me show you here. You should search here man-blog.liquid, open it up and then replace it with this blog posts page. So let me copy and paste it right here. Firstly you should remove it and then paste the new code and then save the changes. Now if you will refresh this page, and you will find out the changes will be appearing right here. Can you see? This was not before, but now this specific change is applied on our article page. So if you have anything like this, so definitely you can ask me. I can create such kind of filters, I can create such kind of features for you. So definitely I can help you out in creating such kind of sections. All right, so if I am filtering out this specific tag, so only that specific tag post will be appearing. Let me show you how you can see the difference. If I am clicking on all posts, so down below you can see that we have 4 pages, and if I'm clicking on, for example, this tag, and underneath you can see we have 2 pages only. In the same way, if I'm clicking on this filter, then you can see down below we don't have much posts. for this specific filter. If I'm clicking on this one, same case is here. So we have some of the posts, and this specific design is also modified. And if I'm clicking on any of the posts, so I will be redirected to the main blog post page, individual blog post. All right, so that's how you can actually implement such kind of features into your Shopify store. If you have something like that, so you can ask me, I will help you out in that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel, also like this video. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.